स्कोर 500 पे अटका है, उसे 600 के आगे लेके जाना है, पता नहीं कैसे लेके जाए। रुक जाओ, सही जगह पर आए हो। वेलकम टू स्किल्स इन स्क्रब। आई एम अथर्व, अ थर्ड ईयर MBBS स्टूडेंट, एंड आज हम बात करेंगे नीट के वो टॉपिक्स जो आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, जो हाई वेटेज रखते हैं नीट में। पिछले 5 साल के एनालिसिस के ऊपर मैं आपको आज बताऊंगा वो टॉपिक्स जो हाईली इंपॉर्टेंट है, दूसरे टॉपिक्स जो मॉडरेटली इंपॉर्टेंट है, और तीसरे टॉपिक्स जो कम वेटेज रखते हैं नीट में। Today we will be talking about the topics from the botany section of biology 11th and 12th standard, and we will be discussing about the topics which are the most important and which are the least important. We will divide this session in 3 parts. First being the most important topics which are the must know topics for your NEET exam. Second will be the good to know topics which are of moderate importance. And third will be nice to know topics which can be skipped or given a low importance compared to all other topics. So let's begin with the must know topic. First topic which has the most and the highest importance in NEET, that is molecular basis of inheritance. It carries 14% of the weightage of all the questions. That means about 6 to 7 questions will be from the topic. Second must know topics from the botany is the principle of inheritance and variations. It carries the massive amount of 10% of your entire paper. That means it will be having around 5 to 6 questions from the entire 90 questions from your exam. Now let's move on to the good to know topics which are of moderate importance for the NEET exam. First topic in this list is cell cycle and cell division. It contains 9% of the weightage of total questions. That means around 4 questions will be coming from this topic. It's a good to know topic. The upcoming topics will be of 7% weightage. That means around 3 questions will be coming from each of these topics. What are these topics? First is plant kingdom, and second being the anatomy of flowering plants. These will have 3 questions each at least. Next upcoming 3 topics will be having 6% weightage in the NEET. That means around 2 or 3 questions might come from these topics. What are these topics? Let's see. The 3 topics are sexual reproduction in flowering plants, the morphology of flowering plants, and plant growth and development are the chapters that will have 2 to 3 questions in your NEET exam. The next chapters are those which have 4% weightage in the NEET exam. That means around 1 or 2 questions will be coming from each of these topics. These topics are of least importance, but I suggest don't skip them. At least 2 questions from each topic will be very important during your NEET preparation. Let's see what are these topics. First is biodiversity and conservation. Second being respiration in plants. Third is microbe in human welfare. Fourth is ecosystem. Fifth is organisms and populations. Sixth is photosynthesis in higher plants. That's it. These are the topics which will be covering 4% weightage in your NEET exam. Now the topics which are left will be of 3% or 2% weightage in your NEET exam are biological classification and the living world. Minimum 1 or no question might come from these 2 topics, so you can skip those topics, but I suggest give it a 1 read. That's it for today. We will meet in the next video with the important topics of zoology. So stay tuned for knowing more about the topics and get ready for your NEET exam. All the best for your NEET exam. Until then, stay tuned for more to Skills in Scrubs, and you can follow me on Instagram and DM me for any query you have.